A little bit more of this commission here. I'm actually getting some color in the tank. There's lots of reflection on this part of the tank. So some of the colors I'm using, let's see, there's Pale Vermilion, there's Poppy Red, Scarlet Lake, Crimson Lake, Tuscan Red, even a little bit of Pumpkin Orange. And those are different values of either oranges or reds. Even the reds are on the orange side. And I'm kind of gradating the different colors in the different areas. Of course, the lighter areas, that's actually a cream color, and that's got the highest reflection. In the end, you'll see that I've got several coats all the way to a burnishing coat in this area, as I obviously will the whole thing. Makes it nice and shiny and nice and saturated. Now notice the values in the gray underneath there. You can see a lot of the reflection has changed the values. And I want to make sure that the different values correlate in the gray area and then correlate in the color areas that are around them. Since I'm working in color sections, first I did the blacks and the grays, and now I'm doing this orange. I can't forget that it's one cohesive picture, and I've got to make sure that those different value changes that are representing the reflections correlate with what's right next to them in the different colors. You can see here that really dark area, that's Tuscan Red, and I just go out from my values from there and just gradate those. In the end, I'll be taking a burnishing pencil that's just pure wax and blending those together, and then that makes a nice cohesive blend. This is part 2. Come back and check out part 3.